Yo guys, Bashing RC here, back with another video. And in this video, we are going to be taking out the Rustler. We put the Volcano EPX Pro tires on it, and it looks awesome, and we're just going to see how it handles. Let's get right to it. So we're back in the lab, and just wanted to say something. In this video, we're going to be running these dirt cheap Z-powered LiPo packs. Link to product in the description. And I will see you guys outside. Alright, so again, bigger tires. We're just going to see how they handle. Well, they provide a lot of grip. That's nice. Tumble-wumble. Wow. That is a lot. Alright, I'm going to go do some speed tests with it. I'll see you guys in the... Alright, we're in the front. Speed test time. These tires have a lot of slide to them. Buttload of grip though. Whew. Hey! Almost ran into the flowers, God. Oh, God. Eee. There we go. Tumble-wumble. Guys, tell me in the comments, doesn't that thing look awesome? Man, that thing looks beastie with these tires on it. We might just have one video where we put the brushless system in the slash and make it an ultimate slash. Ultimate brushless monster slash. That'll be a blast. Oh, jeez. Yeah, get out of there. Alright, I think I'm going to go in the back and jump this thing for a little bit. See you there. Alright, so we're in the backyard. We're going to do some jumps with this thing. Hopefully it doesn't break. I need to get more accurate with my sideways driving on these things. Oh, that was nasty. I'm glad I have that RPM front bumper, man. That helped. Takes it. That was a nice jump. Whew, almost hit the fence. Oh, that didn't look too nice. Stickage. I completely missed that giant ramp, guys. How is that possible? That's just me being me, actually. I'm not very accurate. Oh! That was a nice hit. I like that. Wow, these provide a lot of grip. That cute puppy over there. I like you. Oh God! Oh no! Oh no! We got a Doge on the field. Oh! That sounded bad. Guys, I need to slow down a little bit. Got them Doge on the field. Oh, jeez. Oh, that was a dumb tumble-wumble. Cute Doji.
Seriously, Matthew? Can you cut this out?
Hi.
Can you cut that out?
Can. Oh! Gee. Of course I'm not cutting that out, guys. Staying in. Footage. Oh no. Yes, it didn't tangle. That's annoying, guys, when that happens. Oh no! Pupper! We got a pupper! Pupper's chasing the Rustler VXL. What am I doing? Oh, the pupper's gonna get it. Oh! Oh! That was a nasty landing, man. I'm gonna try and do a trick with it. Probably not gonna work out, guys, but doing it anyway. Nope, not working. Oh no. Oh, how am I that dumb? Okay guys, this will take a minute. Alright, so we have it all unwrapped. That took a little bit. Wasn't that long though. Still have a little bit of daylight left. What was it? Oh! Wow! This is kind of like a destruction test, guys. I love it. Oh. I almost killed myself. Okay guys, this is a pretty long video. I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.